Ladies and gentlemen, today we have someone very important with us. Someone very there's no introduction warranted in his case. The Michelin star chef India, Vikas Khanda himself. Hello, sir. How are you?
Hi, how are you, Ji?
Yeah, very well, sir. So you have distributed over a million meals, and किसी भी एंगल में एक स्मॉल टास्क तो नहीं कहा जा सकता ये। आई वाज जस्ट क्यूरियस सर कि आपको इंस्पायर किस चीज ने किया ये इनिशिएटिव स्टार्ट करने के लिए, इनिशिएट करने के लिए?
मम्मा की डांट ने.
क्योंकि
It's
और
true.
या,
I'm scared of her. I know that. But she got upset when I was trying to say, okay, I can't do this because, it's very difficult logistically. I'm in New York, totally different time zones, absolutely life, which is every minute is planned. You can't take extra projects because you have to finish what you've taken already. And then Feed India started. And I think, and Andar se, I was also feeling that this is going to be a very challenging thing. But then I don't know what happened to mom. She gave me her peace of mind. And I said, it's very difficult to do it. And she says, when did you take anything easy in your life? And I think from there, we started this whole initiative very seriously. And then I, as a promise to her, for the last 5 months, we have to put all the books, movies, documentaries, restaurants on the back burners and just focused on Feed India.
it's been close to 150 days, I guess more than 150 days, and you guys have been doing some phenomenal job, sir. So लॉजिस्टिकली जैसा आपने बोला कि आप वहाँ यूएस में, यहाँ टाइम जोन डिफरेंस, लॉजिस्टिकली जो क्या-क्या चैलेंजेस आए, आपने एनडीआरएफ की हेल्प ली है पूरे मिशन के लिए। एनडीआरएफ को अप्रोच करने का किस तरीके से आपके दिमाग में आया? व्हाट वर देयर रिस्पॉन्स? किस तरीके से ये पूरा शेप लिया इस पूरे एक मूवमेंट ने?
When you say that the universe wants something done from you, it is also going to find a way to do it. So I had no idea that, you can reach out to such a large government body to support this kind of food drives. But with the power of Twitter, what had happened, that I have a friend in Varanasi called Anupam Pandey. He knew that I'm struggling too much with distributions. So he just tweeted to Mr. Satyaji. Satya Pradhanji is the head of NDRF. And he said, tell Vikas to call me. I'm like, Anupam, I can't call him. He's such a big government official, like he has such a high position. Saying, just speak to him. And once I spoke to him, Pratik, I was like totally in it that this is amazing how humble he is and how willing these people are to support the country and any kind of initiative like this. And they were totally in sync with me. And I told them the struggles we are facing. So he said something which was amazing. He's saying, you know what? You just focus on the food and all the logistics, we will take care of it.
Yes, sir. So there's a very interesting story about you. जैसा ईद पे आपने बिगेस्ट फूड ड्राइव एक तरह से रखा,
Yes.
बहुत बड़ा इवेंट था वो, एंड देयर इज अ स्टोरी बिहाइंड इट, आई गेस समवेयर बैक इन 2018 वी कवर्ड इट एज वेल। आपके एक्चुअली इंटरव्यू के बाद हमने वो चीज आर्टिकल किया था। सो कैन यू जस्ट मतलब ऑडियंस को आप खुद अपने मुंह से वो स्टोरी शेयर करेंगे, ईद का स्पेसिफिकली मौका आपने क्यों चुना?
We are Indians and we have celebrated every festival, first of all. That's and throughout my life, this has been always an influence of the people I work with throughout. Especially when you're in the food industry, you understand the mergers of the cuisines and cultures. So different faiths come together to create what we say Indian cuisine. But in during the 1992 riots, I was rescued and sheltered by a Muslim woman, and it's a tribute to her.
सर, ईद से आते हैं रक्षाबंधन पे। रक्षाबंधन पे आपने इस देश की विमेन पावर के लिए सैनिटरी नैपकिन्स भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करवाए, लाइक सैनिटरी पैड्स
Sanitary
एंड ऑल।
napkins is a part of every bag we do. It's always been a part of it. But during Raksha Bandhan, those 3 days before and 3 days after, we had a drives where we were only doing sanitary pads, which was like And it was also strange that to be so mainstream and to be talking about such subjects. And I remember कि एक बार मैं गुस्से हो गया था because with every food packet we were also giving sanitary pads. So we would be telling the guys कि please घर में मम्मा को, भाभी को, दादी को, किसी को दे देना. Any woman of the family, just give it to them in the bag. And this should be necessary in the essential packets, I feel.
Exactly.
And उस दिन, yeah, I know. And somebody just threw the packet away and took the food. And when the officer told me about this incident, he's saying people are not taking sanitary pads. It got me so, like some people did it. Like I think 3-4 people did it. And it got me so sad. And then I tweeted about it. Guys, don't do that. This is a time of all the lockdowns are happening. It's been more than a month now. Please help us to get it to the people. You don't know what kind of money and resources it's taking for us to get the sanitary pads in distribution. It takes so much amount of energy and logistics to get that done. And that is why I said this is going to be very hard. Please support us to make this easier on women of our country.
Yeah, sir.
And people did it. And after that, it was a movement. After that, it was like every day was like you're creating something new, history literally.
Exactly. Specifically उस टाइम पे फ्लड्स ने ओवरटेक कर रखा था बिहार को, झारखंड, छत्तीसगढ़. लाइक फ्लड्स एक मेजर रोल प्ले कर रहे थे उस टाइम पे, एंड उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे सैनिटरी नैपकिन्स वर लाइक a boon kind of stuff for them. So very very well done, sir. Also, sir, speaking of money, इस टाइम पे यूएस में भी सिचुएशन इंडिया से कुछ ज्यादा बेहतर नहीं है. आपने मॉनेटरी टर्म्स में किस तरीके से ये पूरा मूवमेंट मैनेज किया, जबकि आप खुद काइंड ऑफ फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रगल कर रहे होंगे? I can't be sure about it.
All your catering companies were shut down. Everything was shut down. And it was a very challenging time. Aapke neye restaurants were all like postponed and pushed forward. Imagine that our main jobs are the summer caterings, because in summers, all the rich people here in New York, they get married in Hamptons and upstate. So that is the time we make the big buck. That's what we call. Restaurants don't generate that kind of money for me. As the big events generate, the high-end one, where you can charge $400, $300. Everything is cancelled, and you have to return the advances. And many times you already spent the advance because you're investing in something else. So of course you were struggling. But us time pe, when we decided this, that we are going to go ahead with Feed India, and I don't do anything half-heartedly. So we decided that who's struggling more? I can recover, right? I have more than 20 years in America, and I can recover this. But I will not be able to recover from the guilt when I was watching the migrants walking home, and their shoes and their everything was like heartbreaking for me at that time. मैं उससे recover नहीं कर पाता. पैसा तो मैं recover कर लूँगा. For me, it's also, I'm one of the chefs in the world who actually refuses more work than he actually accepts it. मैं काम refuse रोज करता हूँ because I want to do everything personally, and which is also a wrong thing, because I can expand in multiplication laws mein, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to be a fast food person. I want to have the integrity of Indian cooking in any restaurant or place I open. Of course, the struggles were more, but there were another struggles. People were struggling much more than us.
सर विजुअल्स की जैसे आपने बात की, वो जो हार्ट ब्रेकिंग विजुअल्स आ रहे थे, हर कंट्री को कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक ने अफेक्ट किया. आपने इंडिया के विजुअल्स भी देखे, यूएस में आप रहते हैं, यूएस में भी उस टाइम पे काफी डेथ्स हो रही थी. आपको क्या लगता है कि एक वर्ल्ड लेवल पे इज इंडिया डूइंग इनफ? I mean, you are doing your bit. Many people, other people as well, they are doing their bit. But don't you think there should have been a bit more from the government's end in this regard?
Pratik, I have no one to comment on this. Just remember, NDRF is also government body.
Yeah.
I'm no one to comment, and not everybody should comment. And
yeah, not at all.
It's very easy. It's very easy to make statements, but to be on the field and doing work, what they are doing for us, I have so much respect for them, what they're doing. And it's not just NDRF, it's CRPF is also working with us. All the projects in Bihar, majority of them are done by CRPF. Even in Mumbai, because our volumes were so large, at that time the floods had started and many emergencies had started. So we had to take support of many government bodies. So my work was not, so if you think that they are also part of government. So I have utmost respect for them. Utmost. And Mr. Satyas told me when I'm going to come to India, my first flight is I have to come to NDRF office and they're going to make me wear the uniform. And I'm looking forward to that more than anything right now.
Even we are looking forward to that, sir. I'll try to squeeze
Likewise.
in one more question and let's see if you answer this one or not. As you said, Bihar, obviously Bihar is going through, apart from the pandemic stuff, floods के through भी underwent हो रहा है. You have been very vocal about the students as well because you have started very young. आपने भी I guess 17 years if not अराउंड दैट एज आपने अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट की थी. सो इस टाइम पे आईआईटी जेईई एंड नीट का एक पूरा आपने ट्विटर पे जैसे फॉलो किया होगा, कैंपेन चल रहा था एंड स्टार्टिंग 3 डेज में मतलब ये पूरा एग्जाम 6 दिन तक स्पेन करने वाला था. अराउंड 5.5 लाख लोगों ने रजिस्टर किया था. करीब 1.5 लाख स्टार्टिंग के 3 दिन में ही नहीं आ पाए थे बच्चे बिकॉज ऑफ ऑब्वियसली द infrastructure reasons or maybe
Prateek, I stick to my work.
yeah.
I'm that person. The reason
Yeah.
I can do so much and people question me is because I stick to my work. Please,
Yeah.
please. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you
sir.
so much.
So,
Absolute pleasure. Give my regards to mom.
thank you, sir. And my mom
Bye
is a
bye.
huge fan of yours, sir.
Give her
Sir.
a big hug. God bless. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.